Hi guys, Michael here from Alfatron Electronics, and we are here at our booth at InfoComm 2026. And I'm here to share with you some information about our new UC32TR-D transmitter receiver system. This is a HC-based T3 system, which now also features having USB 3 device peripheral ports on the unit. So both the transmitter and receiver features USB peripheral ports. There's also a few features where you can set up which device is receiving power and delivering power to the alternate device. Some Ethernet pass-through, long reach mode control, which will allow you to push the system at 1080p resolutions over 150 meters. In addition, there is some video switching on each of the devices. So the receiver device here at the top, I'll show you on the back of the unit in a moment, has 3 inputs and 2 outputs, and that allows you to matrix any of the 3 inputs to the 2 outputs. In addition, the transmitter unit at the bottom features USB-C or HDMI input as its 2 switching inputs that you can select from. And if I spin the units around for you, so you can see a little bit of the connectivity at the back, you'll see that, again, starting with the transmitter at the bottom, we have USB-C for DP video input, as well as USB peripherals or even 100-watt charging that you can do on the unit by utilizing the 24-volt power supply input. But as you can see, there's multiple inputs here, including HDMI. There's a loop HDMI output for a local monitor, your HC-based T out, 2x2 audio and Dante embedding and de-embedding, as well as TCP IP control port and Ethernet and control over RS-232. If I come back to the receiver unit, I'll start off on the other side. Again, you can either choose POC power to be delivered from the transmitter to the receiver or the receiver to the transmitter. Again, there's RS-232 control, Ethernet connection, your Dante, your analog audio. Then we have our output stage here, which, as I mentioned, is a matrix output between output 1 and 2 with a parallel USB-C DP video output as well. And then, as I mentioned, this is a 3-input device. So we have our HC-based T as input 1, and we can also share HDMI 1 and HDMI 2 with the host port for your USB peripherals. So thank you for joining us. For more information, visit our website at www.alfatronelectronics.com.